I got this 535 the last year. Wanted to test out the capability of electric battery powered saws versus gas. Essentially what you're doing, you're trading off ease of use and convenience for performance. This was the highest performance saw they had at the time. Why Husqvarna, not the steel berth? Simply the name. They're all the same color. It's all shit broke down by the side of the road. Got a big battery. These are expensive as frig. For the money, you get yourself a 355 Rancher or similar in the steel. It's gonna be way better. What I found with this, it overheats. You could be mid-May bucking up a couple, just a log, and the thing would overheat. So the battery gets too hot, she stops chooching. Real pain in the cunning linguals. Good thing was, you put it on the quad or the gator, you gotta buck off a limb or something, super convenient for that. But otherwise, just not worth the money.